Hello, I welcome you all. The problem reads, as indicated in the derivation, the principle of impulse and momentum is valid for observers in any inertial reference frame. Show that this is so by considering the 10 kg block, which slides along the smooth surface and is subjected to a horizontal force of 6 newtons. If the observer A is in the reference frame X, determine the final speed of the block in 4 seconds if it has the initial speed of 5 meters per second, measured from the fixed frame. Compare the results with that obtained by observer B attached to the X prime axis that moves at a constant velocity of 2 meters per second relative to A. Okay. So this problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics and Dynamics, 14th edition by RC Benam. So let's start with observer A. Observer A. So velocity of A is just equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, velocity of the block with respect to A is just equal to the block so the velocity of the block with respect to A is just equal to velocity of the block, okay, minus velocity of A, okay, which is just equal to 5 meters per second. Alright, so having this in mind, we can simply say now integral of f dt is just equal to m v final minus v initial. Since it's not a function, so we have our v initial for this. Our initial velocity of the block is equal to the initial speed is equal to 5 meters per second, and this final is what we are looking for. Okay, so this just becomes 6 times delta t, which is just equal to, so we can write this as just f delta t is equal to m v final minus v initial. Delta t here is just equal to t minus t naught, which is just equal to 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4. So this just becomes 6 times 4 is equal to 10. V final minus what is the initial speed, equal to 5, right? Therefore our V final is just equal to V at t equal to 4 seconds. This gives us 24 divided by 10 plus 5. We have a 7.4 meters per second. Alright, so let's go to observer B. Observer B, mind you, observer B is also moving. It's moving at some constant velocity. So say VB is equal to VB is equal to 2 meters per second. So velocity of the block with respect to B is equal to velocity of the block, okay, minus VB, and this is just going to be equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3 meters per second. Okay, so again we say integral of f dt is just equal to m v final minus v initial, but we can write this as just v delta t equal to m final minus v initial. Our v initial here just becomes 3 meters per second, and everything else remains the same. Our delta t also here is just t minus t naught, which is just equal to 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4, and we do have f equal to 6, and our m equal to 10. So we can just say 6 by 4 is equal to 10 by v final minus 3, and therefore our v final, which is equal to v at t equal to 4 seconds, this is just going to be equal to 24 divided by 10 plus 3. This will get a 5.4 meters per second. Okay, so these are the final solutions. Here it is 7.4, but for B, because B is also moving, it becomes a 5.4. So I hope this particular video was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and sharing my channel. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next screencast.